Okay, guys. So I'm feeling a little good today. So we're gonna do another opening, which is gonna be an Avengers advent calendar. So this is gonna get a little spicy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Okay, guys, we're gonna open this up. Which I think, because I want to open it up, I just feel like opening it up. Okay, so number one is right here. So let's see what we got. And this is the first. Let me see when I hit and pushed in more of them. Well, this is the first one I got. So we're gonna pop it in there. Let's do go to the seconds. It's right here. It has some like blue. It's like. Okay, let's go to 3. 3 is up here where I accidentally pushed in. 321, but I have not seen it. Oh, what is this wanting me to build? Oh, no. This is what we got next. It's like what it wants me to build. This is like maybe like a drink holder or something. So let's push that in. Let's go to day number 4. Photo. The photo 4. I was just acting a little bit weird. This is like a lady, which she's really cute. She is lady holding 2 sticks. Which I know how to build it easily because that other dude was like even harder to eat though. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. Sorry, I put it backwards. But yeah. So we gotta put the head in. Okay. I'm gonna give her the sticks. She needs the sticks. Okay, so just go pop like that. These are like sticks of summer sorters. Yes, she says so she could hit with or check my eyes. We're gonna go ahead and put these in here. But this is her. This is the first girl I could build out of this crew, so we're gonna just go with it because I don't want y'all coming at me reckless because I tried. Okay, because I was right next to. Oh, it's telling you how to build it as soon as you open it. Whoa, didn't even let me hold it. Okay, Mom. There's pieces in here. Is there like instructions how to build this in here? I don't want to build it right away. I don't. I'm gonna have to do this the hard way. Remember off the boxes is so just have this little build the instructions in. I'm just gonna pop in the mini brand area. I don't need the lady that she came out because I built her immediately. Okay. I guess we'll take her just in case. Oh, this is 10. I can't. I thought Nobus would have said these already opened. No, wait, we should probably go ahead and put it in because I don't want to make effect of him. We're being a little complicated here. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I just opened day. So I'm pretty good at open day 6. Okay, 6 is right here. What is up with this? Alright, so it looks like we're going to be building this. But it's going to be a little hot. 7. And we can build him. Yeah. Okay. There we go, and then oh, this is a little harder. Character that I gotta build you. So okay, we're gonna with that. You're supposedly supposed to stick it. Okay, that was day 7, so now we gotta day 8. So let's okay, we're getting some big pieces. It's like, what did I just throw there? Oh, this is gonna be so hard. Get eyes out of here. This is like pieces. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, that is day. A little opening. Sorry, I left something else. Okay, so I was gonna open up day 10, which is over here, which I might have already kind of have a sneak peek at, which is a little bit of a cheating. But now I'm gonna do. I didn't just post the information. If you think that's annoying, it's okay. I don't understand what they're trying to build here, man. Day 11. Right? Set what? Oh my god. This is like, you know, day 11, so let's find day 12. Where's day 12? Day 12 right here. What are we building now? If you didn't have an if I'm not ripping off these instructions, I would never knew. I'm not gonna actually look like this. Okay, now I just opened, so I need day 13. Just up here. We're leaving days right now. I didn't mean to rip off something. But don't worry, guys. I know you probably, if you're confused, I'm gonna build some of this. I'm gonna build this. That's not in this video. I got a Harry Potter. Think if they open. Yeah, I mean. Well, since you don't want to meet. Well, we're still good 19. 16 seconds. Sorry. There's so much stuff. This is like our yeah. This is why I'm saving the instructions. This is why I'm saving this because it's showing you how to build. Because if I would have ever knew, this would have been built. This would have been just sit here, but I'll just say hi. Cause I would be like, I'm like, you know me, I don't, I'm like, I was open up this one because it's just like so tempting. Like, we just look at this. You're gonna be like, sorry guys. If you just look at this, you're gonna be like, oh. Well, this will all be here. So this was day 18. Good stuff. I don't know why you're not in there. Okay, day 18, we're gonna go to day 19. Oh! Look at this. Oh my god, our armpit itches. Okay, and what we got was this. It's like a look at Avengers thing, I think. I'm pretty sure that was just 20. No, this is 20. This is 20. Guys, my hand's itchy. But yeah, my armpit is itchy. Oh yeah, so there's something to update 20. I don't know if this sound makes sense. Guys, I know this looks like I'm just opening it and throwing it. Well, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make like a part 2 of the Adventures Advent Calendar. And we're gonna do that, but yeah. This is day 21. Stuff in there. This is day 22. This is getting jam-packed. Okay, day 23. I'm trying to open this up. This is what I get. The last day of this Advent calendar. And this is everything I got from this Advent calendar. It's a lie. I think I'm gonna do the Harry Potter one tomorrow. Yeah, this is all I got. Bye guys.